Welcome back. I'm going to show you a shortcut for making fresh tortillas. Our basic ingredients: masa, corn flour. It doesn't matter the amount that you put in. Put in maybe a tablespoon of butter. Use oil if you would like. A half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to just kind of mix that butter and salt right in. I'm going to slowly add boiling water. If you can't get boiling water, just really hot tap water will be okay. The consistency that I'm going to be looking for is a soft ball of dough. So here we go. Just a touch. And you want to give it a chance to work in. So maybe wait like 10 or 15 seconds in between adding your boiling water. I'm just putting it in maybe a couple tablespoons at a time. This is about half a cup of flour. So you can see if it forms a slurry or it's too soft to form a ball, then it's too wet and you'll have to add more flour. Here's the dough. Soft, it's nice and smooth. I'm going to break off about a golf ball size piece of dough, put it in my tortilla press liner, just a plastic bag that I've opened up. Press down on the plate and we'll use the handle. You don't have to press super hard. Here's our tortilla forming. Give it a turn, maybe one more time. So there's your tortilla. Peel that out. I have a cast iron skillet, medium heat. If I sprinkle some water on it, the water dances around. Lay my fresh tortilla. It will start to bubble. If you wait until it starts to smoke a little bit, 15 seconds or so, it will also turn a little brown around the edges. So I'm just going to go right under that. It's a little bit of smoke. It's going to turn up, and that's nice. You want this little bit of charring. That tortilla is ready to fill. There you have it. Fill it with your favorite fillings. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.